In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade audio in and out in CapCut PC. If your background music or voice recordings feel like they jump in or cut off too sharply, adding gentle fades will make everything sound much more polished and professional. A fade in smoothly brings your audio up from silence, and a fade out eases it back down, helping transitions feel natural and keeping your audience focused on the content. Start by looking at your timeline and clicking directly on the audio clip or voiceover track you want to adjust. Selecting the exact clip tells CapCut which sound you're working on, and it instantly opens the Editing Properties panel in the top right corner of the screen. If you don't see it at first, it likely means the clip isn't selected yet, so make sure that highlighted outline is visible around your audio in the timeline. In that top right panel, switch over to the Audio tab and make sure you're viewing the basic settings. This is where CapCut keeps the most commonly used controls for quick, clean adjustments. Right below the main volume slider, you'll find two options labeled Fade in Duration and Fade Out Duration. These are the controls that shape how gradually your audio enters and exits. To introduce your music or voice gently, drag the fade in slider to the right to about 1 second. This duration is long enough to avoid a jarring start, but short enough to keep energy and clarity at the beginning of your clip. If your audio starts under dialogue, a 1 second fade helps it tuck in neatly without stepping on the first words. Next, for a smooth radio-style ending, drag the fade-out slider to about 2 seconds. This slightly longer fade gives your audio space to breathe at the end, softening the final moments so nothing feels chopped off. As you make these adjustments, look back at the timeline. You'll see dark diagonal slope lines appear on the audio clip. Those lines are a visual map of your fades, showing exactly how the volume ramps up and tapers down across time. That's all it takes to create clean, studio-grade transitions with just a couple of sliders. If you're working with different styles of music or varying voice levels, feel free to nudge those durations slightly to match the mood, but the 1 second fade in and 2 second fade out are reliable starting points. With these simple adjustments, your audio will sound smoother, more professional, and far more enjoyable to listen to. You're all set.